Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sea gravity. We'll start by understanding that gravity is a fundamental force, pulling objects with mass towards each other. The strength of this pull isn't constant. It depends on how massive the objects are and the distance separating them. We use Newton's law of universal gravitation to precisely calculate this attractive force. Newton's law provides the core formula. Force equals g multiplied by the first mass multiplied by the second mass, all divided by the square of the distance between their centers. The gravitational constant, g, is approximately 674 times 10 to the negative 11 Newton meters squared per kilogram squared. This powerful formula helps us predict how objects interact gravitationally. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. It's a simple way to make your daily drive more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's bring this into code. You'll define variables to store each object's mass, its current position, and its velocity. Then, translate Newton's gravitational formula into a reusable function in your C program. Remember to use vector math to accurately determine the direction of the gravitational force, especially when dealing with multiple interacting objects. To simulate movement, first calculate the acceleration for each object based on the net gravitational force acting upon it. Then, update each object's velocity and position over very small, discrete time steps. By repeating these calculations iteratively, you can create a dynamic and realistic simulation of objects moving under the influence of gravity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.